Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get your credit or debit PayPal MasterCard. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is go here to this website. You need to create a business account because if you only have a personal account, then you cannot claim or request your MasterCard here in PayPal. So what you better do to go here, or though here in Google, search PayPal Business and you'll have this link here, sign up for a business account and you'll be redirected here. So if you are one of those guys who have watched college tutorials on YouTube how to get MasterCard in PayPal, but it is outdated because you don't have the option anymore in the personal account, so you need to create a business account. So you just need to simply proceed with this. Provide your legal first name and last name, continue, and it will ask you for email and password. And after that, it will take you here. As you can see, my account is not yet verified, but yeah, as you progress here, after you have provided your email and password, it will ask you to verify your business. It will ask you details about your business, what kind of business you use, and etc. So after you have done that, you will be directed here and you won't see this anymore if you are already verified. So to get the MasterCard, you need to go here in Business Tools, click here, and Business Tools, and you will be redirected here and you will see the request for MasterCard option here if you are already verified. But as you can see, I'm not yet verified, so I cannot see it yet. But you will see it here in Business Tools and here in the fourth row, and you will see here the request for MasterCard, credit or debit. That's it guys, thank you for watching.